Hey guys, it's Kurlina. Welcome back to another Kurlina's Foodie Chronicles. In this tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys how to create a basic striped cake. If you're new to my channel, welcome, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Okay, let's get started. Starting off with my 5-inch cake layers, I'm cutting each layer in half and also leveling them. This cake was made for my sister's birthday back in January. She requested a black and red striped cake. I recorded the video so I could teach you a new tutorial. Then I'm creating a border with some buttercream. This is just to ensure that your soft filling doesn't ooze out of the cake. Then I'm adding some chocolate mousse as my filling. I repeated that process 3 more times until all my layers were stacked. Then I roughly smoothed the buttercream on the sides of the cake and then placed the cake into the freezer for 30 minutes because it was a bit wobbly, as you can see. After 30 minutes, I gave the cake a proper crumb coat and chilled my cake overnight. Also, I added a skewer in the middle of the cake to prevent it from sliding. The next day, I added a pretty thick coat of buttercream to my cake. This might look like a lot of frosting, but don't worry about it, we're gonna scrape a lot of it using the stripe comb. I'm smoothing my cake with my scraper gently, and then if there are any gaps, I fill those with some more buttercream and I smooth it again. I am using this stripe comb to create some grooves into my black frosting. You want to keep your comb at a 90-degree angle, just like I'm showing in the video. And if there are any gaps or bubbles into the frosting, make sure to add some more frosting and use your comb to scrape it off. You want to keep going until the grooves are nice and smooth. Once I was happy with how the grooves turned out, I placed my cake into the freezer for 20 minutes. Once the grooves are nice and set, you're ready to pipe on your next color. Using a piping bag makes it a lot easier to get into those grooves. Keep adding your red buttercream until you reach the top groove. For the top, we're gonna add some black buttercream. I'm using my scraper to smooth the buttercream and start revealing the stripes. Be sure to clean your scraper in a clean kitchen towel after each swipe. And if there are any gaps or bubbles into the buttercream, add some more of that colored frosting and keep scraping until you're happy with how the stripes turned out. Once I was happy with the stripes, I chilled my cake for 30 minutes, and after 30 minutes I'm using a knife to cut out the edges. This is done so you get sharp edges. final step, I'm piping some swirls of red buttercream on top of the cake. And I'm adding some Maraschino Cherries to top it off. And here's the finished cake. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on my notification bell. You can always find me on Instagram and Facebook at Kurlina's Foodie Chronicles. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, spread the cake love.